crisis is affecting communities across the country, including some of our own.
And the Carteret County Sheriff's Office says they continue to try to stay ahead of the issue and enforce the law to save lives. 9 News Side's Olivia Wolfson sits down with Sheriff Asa Buck to talk about their efforts.
Every county, every town has a problem with people who are addicted to substances and people who use drugs and people who sell drugs.
According to Sheriff Buck, Carteret County has had 3 overdose deaths so far this year. There's been more than 150 overdoses in the past 5 years. However, the county has seen a significant drop in deaths over that time period. 3 is still too many. 1 is too many, but it's nowhere near the numbers what we were seeing back in 2020, 2021, 22. And then, as I said, in 23 and 24, the numbers began to drop. Buck says his office, in partnership with the district attorney's office, continues to be proactive to the issue. Part of prevention, I believe, is strict enforcement. And, you know, there's some places where they don't investigate or even prosecute some of these death by distribution cases. Buck says the county has convicted more than 10 people with death by distribution and charged more than 30 since the General Assembly enacted the statute in 2019. This includes a conviction on Monday where a jury found Hugh Grandal Willis guilty for death by distribution of fentanyl after his girlfriend died from an overdose. We investigate every drug overdose death just like a homicide, and we have been for many years. Buck, District Attorney Scott Thomas, and other leaders received the Saving Lives Together Award for their work in holding fentanyl traffickers accountable. When people are doing things and it's causing people to die, that's not something that you just sit back and say, well, there's nothing we can do about it. You know, we wish we could do more. And you make that a priority, and you certainly try to do the very best you can to investigate those criminal offenses and hold people accountable when and where you can through the court system. In Carteret County, Olivia Wolfson, 9 on your side.